Are you starting to share?
Yeah, just give me a second. Something went wrong. I don't know why. Wait, you can't see my stream?
Not yet.
Oh, wait. Okay. Should be able to see now.
Okay. So
Yeah.
this is the code that I passed you, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So,
So
but may I know why you named the class that I gave to you? So the class that I gave to you is for student class, right?
yeah.
So, but why you call it student Tardies here? Why
Because
you
I
call
already
it?
have a student class, I didn't want anything to clash if I put the code
Ah,
in the main or anything.
okay. Yeah, okay, fine then. Yeah.
So I just changed the name.
Okay, that's clear.
Yeah.
Okay. So may I understand what, in your opinion, what this class does?
Uh, like you get the student information.
You store the student information.
Yeah.
So it's like, is it like a variable, a big variable, complex variable
Yeah.
that can
Yeah,
store
technically.
complex information about student, right?
Mm, mm.
Okay, fine. What is TARDIS?
Um, it's like, hmm.
So TARDIS is the lateness, the number of
Yeah.
times that the student come late to the school. So
Okay, okay,
they are
okay.
recording that. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So from what you have read so far, or
Yeah.
maybe you want us to read together
Okay.
the exercise?
Okay.
Okay. So you open it from your side and
Yeah.
we go.
It's open here.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So the exercise say a teacher in your school has asked you to write a program to track the number of Tardies students in her class um, have occurred during the semester. The program should allow the teacher to enter student information from the keyboard. This information should include student last name, first name, number of Tardies. Accommodate a maximum of 50 students, but the teacher should be allowed to enter less than that number. So it means that somehow we need something to record for us an array of 50 students. Once the
Mm.
data entry process is complete, print the summary of class Tardies. This summary should include the total number of Tardies for the class and list of all the students in the database. Okay,
Mm.
and he is telling you that class composition under the title class composition that the problem has decomposed into two classes, student and Tardies. So it means that since I already give you the student class, then what you need to create is actually another class that is called Tardies.
Yeah.
So, okay, now the student class, we have it. So let us go to the
Yeah.
end of the page, and we see Tardies class, client
Yeah.
of the student class, okay, responsible for maintaining a list of students, entering and managing the student information, including Tardies, and displaying the summary report. So it means that the Tardies class should maintain a list of students, means that it have an array of students. And we already know that our software should accommodate maximum of 50 students. So it logically also says that the Tardies class, if it have a list, the list should be over 50 students. Does this make sense to you? So last time we created a list of employees, and that was inside the company class. Can you please have a look at that and copy what have been done there and create your Tardies class based on that?
Wait, based on the employees, is it?
Yeah, based on the company, because the company have the list of employees inside. So you see, we have a list of employees there.
Okay.
So change the name.
Yeah. Okay. So where's the E gone?
You can call it student T, or yeah, okay, fine. Yeah.
Yeah. All this but no. Okay. That's correct. Okay. So now,
This should not be employee because you are dealing
yeah,
now with the
yeah,
students.
yeah. So I should name this student Tardies, right?
Yeah. Same concept.
And then this also.
Yes.
Yeah. Then this I need to change. Or what do I change it to?
You have to name this first because this is no longer employee. It is a student
Yeah.
list.
So I just put STU.
Okay, fine.
I
You
can
can
just name this S.
also, yeah, look fine also.
Okay. So this also has to be S.
Yes. So typically, okay, this is, do you remember what we called that before? So the method that have the same name like the class, what do we call it?
Constructor.
Excellent. Okay, so typically we can have more than one constructor. You already created a constructor that take an input, but I want you to take a constructor that does not take any input. So make another constructor.
Put any input here.
Yes. So if we have no input, it means that how can we actually create that?
Like this one, still you need input. No matter what I need.
Can you look at the numbers class solution last time we created?
Yeah.
So what did you do up
Aha.
here? So what did you do up here? You created your numbers with
Yeah.
fixed. So okay, so maybe in the empty constructor you need to put that your students is 50. because he told you that in the exercise text.
So I should say here.
So when you take no input, you're not able to assign your student with something. So you have to create, yeah, okay, that's good. But just be aware that here is not integer, okay, it is a student. This is a student class. Your previous one was, yeah, student Tardies, not string.
You're not string, then no.
So it is exactly, so it is exactly like that. So you have to write student Tardies here.
Oh. Okay.
Are you aware of what we are doing, or I need to explain? You know why we put it here, student Tardies? Can you go to the
No,
number
how?
class, please? Can you go
Yeah.
to the numbers? So the numbers here, when you create an integer
Oh,
list,
I see.
you have to say new this exactly like this.
Right, I see. Okay.
It's a list of integers, so you need 20 new integers inside. So that's how it translates. So if you have a student class, it means that you need 50 new students, not 50 new integers. It doesn't make sense. Okay,
Yeah.
fine. Okay, go
Yeah.
back to Tardies.
Okay.
So now you created somehow the Tardies. Can you try to actually call it from the main? You can also have a look how you
Yeah, that's my
created
problem.
your company. You see where you created your company and how you call it.
Yeah, we call it the same way we call the let me just print out all three of these things. Just put it as like here. Okay. Oh. Okay, so this will be student Tardies. No, this will be just Tardies.
So company. So now look first. These yeah. So the company is the one that have the employees inside. We didn't create single employees. We create a company, and automatically when we create a company, the employees is created inside it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So yes, what you're doing here, but yeah, you have to change this to Tardies. Yeah, good.
So then now this is the problem. This I need to change to student Tardies, or do I just put S? Or
Wait. So you have two constructors. So you have a choice now that you can pass a list of students, but in the text of the exercise, he tell you that this Tardies class is responsible for maintaining a list of students, entering and managing the student information, including Tardies. So it means that you need to maybe have a method to actually enter the information of the students. Information means name, first name, last name, and the Tardies. So how can you take an input from how to add to the Tardies class a method that allows the user to enter information about the list of students? How we can do that?
So we need a method that will call this, right?
You need a method to. So did we take before that we are able to create a loop, and inside the loop, every time the loop runs, we ask information from the user, and this information we can store it in a student object. So first of all, create a method that say get data, for example.
Okay. and just replace this whole thing.
Mm-hmm. Get student data.
Okay.
So typically, the get is a G is small, S is capital, D is capital.
Okay.
So we do that in every method. Okay, now
Yeah.
if you have 50 students, if you have 50 students here in this list,
Yeah.
and you want to store information inside it. Okay, now forget about it. Let us talk first how inside this you are actually able to enter information for a single student. Forget about 50 students. Create a new student here. How do we create a student? Now we have a student Tardies class, right?
Yeah.
Can you tell me? Can you look at main and look how you actually created any employee before? Look at where did you create employee?
Yeah.
Yeah, but this is you created it inside. I would like to see if you ever, yeah. So this is employee. This is how you create a single employee, right?
Correct.
Okay. Get one line of those and copy it to the get
Right
data
into a
method.
loop. Okay. Okay, I see.
So you need to change that so that it doesn't refer to employee, to the student.
Make this S1.
Mm-hmm. Okay, fine. Okay, perfect. Look at the constructor of the student Tardies. Yes. So the constructor take what?
First name. Tardies. Okay, so I need last name, then first name, then this should be the Tardies. So make it 0 first. Let's say I just put Bob. So Bob Tardies. Okay, 0.
Okay, fine. Yeah.
Okay.
So it means that
Yeah.
now you entered information about S1, right? Now you have 50 students. So it means that you need to do 50 of those. But
Yeah, so I need
the thing is, typically when we create a software, we cannot fix the information like that. So allow the user. Last time you use a scanner. So use a scanner to enter information for the first, last name, and do that for a single student first. How you use a scanner? Yes.
I need to go back to. Where did I have the?
So
Okay.
search for in
Oh.
in dot in dot.
There you go.
So this is yeah. So this is how you take an integer. But I would like to search more to find how you take a string, because the first name and last name is the strings. No,
I don't.
just keep searching for in dot.
I only have 2.
2. Okay, so maybe it is in the one of the previous code.
In the previous code, yeah.
Yeah. So look here.
I think here maybe.
Search.
No.
Okay, then search for yeah.
Oh wow. Cannot be. I had so much. Only 3 here.
In next. Okay.
Yeah, in next.
But notice here, please. This is what really interests you. You have a string and you're taking next line in dot next line. So that is how you take a string from the user. So now you already see how you take a string, how you take an integer.
Yeah.
Then
Yeah.
use them now to enter the information for the student.
Okay. Yeah. Do I need this? Right. I need this. Then let me just put them all in here first. Then I need my yeah.
I want you to go back
I
to
need
yeah. Okay, good.
needed something here.
Yes, exactly.
Forgot yeah, this. Okay. So let me see if there's any errors. Okay.
So when you get information from the user, actually this can be void. We don't need to return anything.
Right, that's why. Okay. Now I need to make all this work.
So to be able
Okay.
to do that, we need to call actually the get student data, so that we are able to see it when it is called from the main. If we don't call it, then we will never see if it have an error. So
Yeah.
go to main and try to call it from there. Where did we call our Tardies? We didn't call it yet. Yeah, okay, we call it. Good.
So I just put Tardies dot get
Yes,
student data.
yes, because it belonged to the Tardies class. Yes, correct. Okay.
Oh, because it's asking for an input. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. So now I need this to be not twice. Then, okay. Okay.
So do you know what information you need to pass to your student
Yeah,
class?
I need to pass last name, first name, and the Tardies.
Mm-mm.
So I forgot already. How do I need to put it before this, right? If I wanna ask, if I wanna say enter,
Yes, you have to give him a string message. Yes, you have to print something to the screen.
enter, pass name. Should I do it all three separately or together? I think separately is easier.
Separate is easier.
That's what I mean. Wait, what's happening? Oh, oh yeah, this. So what should I make this? Just I make it
So you need to
mm,
give it a variable name, right?
last. First. I mean that will.
Just be aware Tardies is an integer,
Yeah.
not a string.
Oh yeah. Wait, so I needed to integrate something. I forgot about it. Something. Wait, what's the previous code? Main. Okay. Oh, I just put next if it's integers.
Only next? We can try.
I can't remember. Was it integer next? Yeah, it was integer next. Something like that. Or was it
Mm,
next integer? Something, I
next,
forgot.
next enter.
Okay.
What is the error?
Okay. Oh,
did you define
I
first?
didn't call. No. Okay. I mean, I can define from here, right?
Yeah, yeah.
String. Okay. What else?
He's not happy with your next int.
Yeah. What happens if I just put next? No. String cannot be put to Wait, why is next incorrect? Oh, because I didn't capitalize the I. Yeah. Yeah.
We
Okay.
close and open again.
Okay.